Walton Learning. Vocabulary Workshop Green. Words in Context. Unit 14. Bessie Coleman was an African-American woman born in segregated Atlanta, Texas in 1892. Segregation means enforced separation between races. As a girl, Bessie exhausted herself as she walked 4 miles to her segregated school. At age 23, Coleman moved to Chicago. She hoped that life in the big city, distant from the segregated South, would offer more opportunities. Her brothers returned from World War I with stories about French women pilots. Coleman thought these women's achievements were admirable. Her brothers' stories kindled Coleman's desire to be a pilot. Coleman applied to flight schools in the United States. None of the schools would accept an African-American woman, so she moved to France to attend flight school. She received her international pilot's license in 1921. In 1922, she became the first African-American woman to perform a public flight. Soon, flying became automatic for her. She was famous for her stunts. Coleman died in a flying accident in 1926.